Hey guys, Dr. Ray, Chiropractic Plus. We have an event coming up. It's June the 3rd at 6:30 p.m. It's called Bulletproof Immunity. And it's time for us, you, me, and everybody to start building resiliency inside the body instead of managing these symptoms every single year. The seasonal allergies, the springtime colds and the flus, and all the things we tend to experience because we've got to build our body resiliently. I mean, do you really believe that we were born with a deficiency of Zyrtec, and if we take Zyrtec, we're going to be just fine? Well, of course it helps you symptomatically, it makes you feel better, but the question nobody ever bothered to ask is, why am I experiencing those problems? Why am I experiencing these symptoms? Well, that's because the medical community, again, when you think about their code of study, they study a lot of pathology, which is the study of death. What makes a person die? And we're going to develop pharmaceutical drugs and interventions to make you not be dead. Now, that doesn't necessarily make you healthy. Just because you're not dead doesn't mean you're manifesting health. Where in the wellness chiropractic model, we're looking for resiliency. We're studying what makes people more alive. So instead of studying death, we study life. And how can we make you the best version of yourself, the most healthy version of yourself? Because we study health. For example, when you look at a blood chemistry, what disease do you have and how can I manage it and keep you from being dead? And then there's my side. I look at the exact same chemistry and I'm looking at what is making this person not be healthy. Now, it's a little bit different way of looking at it. And if we make you stronger, more powerful, more healthy through the 5 essentials, through mindfulness, managing stress, coming to seminars, learning the truth, coming to the dinner programs, that's another piece. Getting the nervous system clean, body's communicating with the brain. You get some type of an infection in the lungs, goes to the brain activates the immune system and kills the infection as long as the resources are there, which is the nutritional resources, the oxygen and fitness piece, the lowered toxicity because you've enhanced that system through the elimination pathways, whether it's the liver, the skin, the urine. We're going to discuss this and many other topics June the 3rd at 6:30 p.m. So save that date, get your fanny into the office, get your ticket, and get your ticket for your friends as well so we can transform and save a world. Looking forward to seeing you there. Have a great one. Bye-bye.